If 2023 is the year for a new SUV, truck, crossover, or car, there's a lot of positive indicators in the news that new vehicle availability is up and prices are coming down, which creates more trades, which lowers used vehicle prices too. Some experts say up to 25%. Now, if only the interest rates were lower and not going up every few weeks, right? Well, how does 3.99% sound? For a limited time, Sound Credit Union and the Sunset Auto family are offering an almost unheard of 3.99% APR on new and used vehicles. That's right, rates as low as 3.99% APR on qualifying used vehicles too, saving you thousands in financing alone. And your first payment won't be due for 90 days. It's only available from Sound Credit Union and the Sunset Auto family. Get all the details at sunsetautofamily.com and soundcu.com. Then visit any Sunset Auto family dealership, Sunset Chevrolet and Sunset Ford of Sumner, or Sunset Kia Mitsubishi in Auburn, and save a ton of money with a lower interest rate. You just get more at Sunset, like lower interest rates thanks to Sound Credit Union, and people do like that.